this video I'm going to be looking at how to open a filter housing if the bowl is stuck. First, close any inlet and outlet valves. If there's a tap downstream of the filter bowl, then open it. It will release some of the pressure inside of the filter housing. Press a little red button on the top. This will release some of the air. You might hear a little hiss or see a little bubble of water. To remove the filter bowl, use the wrench supplied. Push the wrench as far up the bowl as it will go. Using your free hand, support the bracket. Looking down on the top, turn in a clockwise direction. If the bowl just won't move, I suggest you use some additional leverage, such as this. If that additional leverage causes the wrench to buckle, I suggest you either use a metal version of the wrench or, as I'll show you now, use two wrenches. Same procedure as before. Push the wrenches as far up the bowl as they will go. Using your free hand, support the bracket, turn in a clockwise direction, looking from the top. If you don't think that the bracket's going to withstand that leverage, then I suggest you use the 2 wrench 10 to 2 method, looking down on an imaginary clock face, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. This pushing and pulling action, the combined pushing and pulling action, will reduce the torque on the bracket. If none of these methods open the filter bowl, then you're going to have to consider removing the filter housing from the line and carefully gripping it in a vise. Okay, how to stop the problem from happening again? Well, the key is food grade silicone grease. I suggest you don't use any other type of grease or lubricant, as this will be absorbed by the O-ring and could cause a leak later on. Check the integrity of the O-ring, make sure there's no nicks, there's no cracks, make sure it's free of debris. Check its seat, make sure it's clean and clear of debris. Apply the silicone grease liberally to that O-ring. Check the contact surface inside of the filter head, make sure it's clean and clear of debris. Apply the silicone grease to the male part of the thread and the female part of the thread. When tightening up the bowl, hand tighten only. You don't need to use a wrench if the O-ring is seated correctly. If you doubt the integrity of that O-ring, replace it. That's it for now. My name is Jeff Nemec. This is Spring Hill. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.